today's world, disruption has completely changed the way we live and work. Look around you. You will see the one-time business leaders who are now struggling like Airtel, like Tata Motors, while others are completely dissolved like Reliance Communication. ऐसे टाइम में आपका बिजनेस, आपकी जॉब कितनी सेफ है? हम सब पैसा कमाने के लिए इतने बिजी हैं इस रैट रेस और कंपटीशन में कि हम भूल रहे हैं कि सबसे आसान तरीका पैसे कमाने का है पैसिव इनकम, और ये आपकी एग्जिस्टिंग वेल्थ से क्रिएट हो सकता है। पैसिव इनकम कैन हेल्प यू टू डाइवर्सिफाई योर सोर्सेज ऑफ इनकम, टू गेट द फ्रीडम ऑफ टाइम दैट यू रियली वांट. It reduces your financial uncertainty, and most importantly, it helps you with the stability of money and growth that you want in your life so that you can follow your passion, which is why passive income is often called the magic of it. Would you like to reap the benefits of passive income in your life? If yes, I will see you at the next Mission Financial Nirvana.